Front-end web development has come a long way in the last decade. With the rise of single-page applications, modern front-end frameworks have become essential for building fast, interactive, and responsive web apps. But with so many choices out there, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to use. In this video series, we are going to compare 4 of the most popular front-end frameworks: Angular, React, Svelte, and Vue. Angular is a full-featured framework developed by Google. It uses TypeScript for type safety and has a steep learning curve. But once you get the hang of it, you can build complex applications with ease. React is a popular library developed by Facebook. It is known for its virtual DOM, which makes it incredibly fast, and its component-based architecture, which makes it easy to reuse code. Svelte is a newcomer to the front-end framework scene, but it is quickly gaining popularity. It is different from other frameworks in that it compiles your code into highly efficient vanilla JavaScript, which makes your apps lightning fast. And finally, Vue is a progressive framework that's designed to be easy to learn and use. It has a gentle learning curve, but it is also powerful enough to build complex applications. Whether you are just starting out with front-end development or you are a seasoned pro, this series will give you a deep understanding of these popular frameworks and help you decide which one is best for your next project. So, stay tuned for our in-depth comparison of Angular, React, Svelte, and Vue, and learn how to achieve similar functionality across different frameworks.